Hey guys, welcome to Mike's World. Today we're going to be taking a look at this right here. This is the Wavlink's new wireless microphone system, dual wireless microphone system for an iPhone. So you have a receiver, you have two wireless lavs, which are round in nature and they just kind of clip on like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these and then look at this little nice charging case as well. Going to unbox these and then we're going to go out and test these and see how good they are, see what kind of range we get. And then we'll come back here and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, so let's get to unboxing the Wavlink Soundbird Lite 2. So it is wrapped in some plastic. So we have to get that off. This is always the hardest part of unboxing just about anything, is just getting that started. So comes with a nice case. This is the box. Just flip it around here, show you everything that's on this box. So it looks like that slides. Yep, slides open. Take the case out. It's in this nice, it's packed in this nice styrofoam, so it's well protected when it ships. Let's see, before I open this, let's just check. We have the box here. We have a little instruction manual with a QR code. These are usually pretty self-explanatory. And then we have, pop off, there's pop off there. Come on to that. Should just be charging cables. It's just a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So we have those two. Get the box out of the way and all the trash out of the way. So far that's what it's come with. We'll take this out. Wavlink, pretty thick box. And so USB-C plugs in there for charging. So these do charge inside the case. Open it up. And we have a lightning receiver for the iPhone. We'll take this little piece of tape off. So clearly it gets the power from, that's the receiver. It gets the power from your phone. And then you have two round lav mics. So, and what's interesting about these, so they charge from USB-C. So we'll take that off. And they just clip right on you directly. So these ones do not have any kind of external. Grant, you have to stop. I'm shooting a video. So these are round, they clip right on. They don't have any kind of external lav mic that clips on you. So we'll have to read and pair these up. I'm sure they pair like Bluetooth. So you have a link button. You can mute it, signal strength, battery life, but this just clips directly on you. So, and it comes with two of them. So there's two lavs. Now, I want to compare that to the lav that I'm wearing right now. So I'm right now using a Ceramonic live wireless or a wireless microphone for iPhone. And that's why I wanted to wear that, because, and look at that. So it's already charging. I put that in there. I think that's when I took the plastic off. Let me get back to what I was talking about here in a second. So we'll take those off, slide it in. You can see a red light coming on there, red light coming on right there. So they're charging right now. And you can see what it looks like when they're charging. So I'll need to plug this box in. But just for comparison, these just clip on you directly. And to compare sound, we will test these out in different situations. But what I'm using at the moment that I want to show you, because I want you to compare the sound between what I'm using and these, is I'm using this right now I'm using a Ceramonic Blink 500, but these have an external lav mic that plugs in right here. So that's what I'm using right now. So you can take what I'm using now, and then you can compare it once we start testing out the wavelinks. And look how fast that's drained already. So I need to plug this in. We need to get these charged, and then let's test them out.
All right, so I'm doing a test. We got these guys working on the yard over there, the snow blowers. It's pretty loud, but I've got the wireless on right here to see what it sounds like when I've got a lot of extra noise around. So let's see how this sounds. Okay, so let's do the range test. So the mic is on, it's saying it's working. Initially, I think it overmodulates and there's no way to adjust the sensitivity, at least that I can find. I'll have to go back through the manual again, but it didn't say anything. But what we're gonna do is a test. I'm gonna walk backwards. It'll be a rough estimate. I'm starting at 2 feet away. We'll walk backwards, I'll count out, and I'll try to step roughly 1 foot at a time, and we'll see at what point it drops out. So it says it's working. It says everything is connected. Let me double check. Yeah, it says it's working. So, you know, the first time I did the test, it sounded like as I backed up that it was only picking up audio from the phone. So I'm doing the test a second time and see if it works. So really there's no way to know whether you have audio or not, except you do a microphone test, you check your video, see if the audio is coming through, and then you put it on, you hope for the best. So that is one of the drawbacks of these types of wirelesses, is you just don't have any way to monitor. So let's do a range test because it's starting to get dark, and let's see at what point it drops out. So 2 feet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Roughly 50 feet away right now. You should still be able to hear me, but we're going to go to 100 and see if it drops out. So we're at 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 6, 97, 98, 99, 100. Roughly 100 feet right now. I'm going to check the wireless, and it is saying linked and saying it has audio. So check, 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 check. Of course, I have no way of knowing if it's working or not. So I'm going to walk back to the camera and we're going to check it. And check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if you can actually pick me up, if it lost signal, and if I came back up, if it picked it back up. So I got to check the video to find out if it worked. All right, guys, so I'm still wearing the wireless, and so right now I would have to say this is my final thoughts. These little things, it does come with 2 of these, so I only tested 1 of them. So now the second one is on now. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you pull it out of the box, it automatically turned on and connected. So it's the first time I've had both of them connected. So, but you put them in here in the box, they start charging and they power off on their own. So you're going to lose the audio from this one very soon because it's flashing on the screen. So let's see here. Yeah, it's off. So anyway, nice little charging case, USB-C charger on the back. Overall, I think these are a very good product. The range was unbelievable. I went to 100 feet, no problems. It can probably go further than that. But honestly, with your phone, how often are you going to need to be more than 100 feet away? So it can pick up at least to 100 feet. I think that's phenomenal because a lot of these, it's about 35 to 50 feet is the max. So this has a bigger range. The only thing the issue with it is not being able to adjust the sensitivity. The iPhones do an automatic gain, which is a problem as well with phones, especially with the Lightning port. So if it's kind of overmodulating, there's not really a way to fix that unless you go into post with Premiere or Audacity or something like that and fix it. So that is a little bit of a drawback, but the range, the case, having these on the go, the 2 of them, a dual wireless to be able to do interviews. If you're YouTube blogging, you're doing something on Facebook or something, these really are great and handy to keep with you. I mean, I don't see why you would not want these. So, but overall, because of the sensitivity and the auto gain and things like that, I'm going to give them a grade of a B plus. I think they're pretty good. They could be better. I also don't like the fact that it's just this thing and there's no way to like plug in a lav that you can hide better and then have this clip down further. So I kind of don't like that, but it's okay for online and blogging and stuff like that. So overall, B plus. Hey, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time here on Mike's World.